qualities. Leadership is not a fixed set of skills. It is about the personal quality that can be developed over time. First one is the communication skill. Communication skills refers to the ability to convey information effectively and efficiently. These skills involves the uses of verbal, non-verbal and written methods to share ideas, feelings with others. Good communication skills are essentials for understanding and being understood in personal, social and professional contexts. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand, manage, and influence one's own emotions as well as the emotions of others. It plays a key role in how individuals interact with others, handle stress, and make decisions. Decision making ability. Decision making is the process of choosing the best course of actions from several alternatives to achieve a desired outcome. It involves identifying a problems or opportunity, gathering relevant information, evaluating options, and selecting the most appropriate solutions based on the criteria set. Decision making can be structured using formal techniques on experience and judgment. Adaptability and flexibility. Adaptability refers to the ability to adjust to new conditions, environment, and situations. It involves being open to change and being able to modify one's actions, strategies, and mindset in response to shifting circumstances. Flexibility, on the other hand, is the willing to modify or adjust one's approach, schedules, or behavior in response to immediate need or changes. Integrity and accountability. Integrity refers to the quality of being honest, ethical, and consistent in actions, values, and principles. A person with integrity acts in a morally sound manner even when no one is watching. They uphold strong moral and ethical standards, demonstrate honesty in their dealing in both personal and professional relationships. Accountability is the responsibility to make ownership of one action, decisions, and their consequences. Being accountability means accepting the outcome of decisions, whether positive or negative, and being willing to explain or justify them. Accountable individuals acknowledge their mistake, take correct actions, and remain transparent in their effort to meet their commitment. Empowering and motivating others. Empowering refers to giving individuals or group the authority, confidence, and resources to make decisions and take action that contribute to achieving goals. Motivations refers to the internal and external factors that drive individual to take actions, achieving goals, and maintain persistence in the face of challenges. It explains people behave in such a way. Continuous learning and growth. Continuous learning and growth refers to the ongoing processes of developing new skill, acquiring knowledge, and improving personally and professionally over time. Ask for feedback from colleagues, mentors, and peers to identify area for improvement. Explore new idea means stay informed about industry's trend and emerging leadership practice. Develop skills means attend workshop, read books, and enhance your leadership abilities. Thank you.